Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Google Finance portfolio. Whether you're looking to share your investment insights with friends or seeking advice from professionals, Google Finance makes it remarkably straightforward to share your portfolio with others. Navigate to Google Finance by typing www.google.com/finance in your web browser's address bar, or by simply searching for Google Finance via your favorite search engine. This will take you to the main page of Google Finance, a comprehensive tool for personal finance management and investment tracking. Once you're on the Google Finance homepage, it's time to move toward the core part of our tutorial, sharing your portfolio. To do this, go to your portfolio on Google Finance. If you're not sure where that is, look for a menu option or a tab labeled something like Your Portfolio or My Portfolio on the Google Finance dashboard. Upon finding your portfolio, look for three dots or an options icon, usually located near the name of your portfolio or at the corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will reveal a series of options related to portfolio management. In the menu that appears, you'll need to locate and click on Watch List. This action will direct you to a page where your tracked stocks or assets are listed. At the top of this page, or somewhere prominently displayed, you should see a watch list icon. Click on this icon to proceed. Now, with your watch list open, select the specific stock you want to share with someone. This might involve scrolling through the list or using a search feature if you have a large number of stocks in your watch list. Once you've located the stock, click on it to bring up its detailed view. In the detailed view of the stock, you'll find the Share option. This might be represented by an icon that resembles a link or a share symbol. Click on this to initiate the sharing process. Finally, you'll see an option to Copy Link. This is the link to your stocks page on Google Finance, which you can share with others. Click Copy Link to copy the URL to your clipboard. You can now paste this link into emails, messages, or social media platforms to share it with those you want to view the specific details of the stock from your portfolio. And there you have it. You've successfully shared a stock from your Google Finance portfolio. Sharing insights and getting advice on your investments has never been easier. A couple of tips to make the most out of Google Finance. Keep your portfolio updated to reflect your current investments accurately, and explore the vast array of tools and analytics available on Google Finance to make informed decisions. Remember, sharing your investment portfolio can lead to valuable discussions and insights, so don't hesitate to share your findings with trusted parties. It's a powerful way to learn and grow in your investment journey. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more finance tips and tutorials. Happy investing, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.